Hey guys, we're on the Tuscarora Nature Trail and today we have sweet Jenny Wolf. Hey Jenny! She's just getting lots of love from Colin, aren't ya? And over here we have Mo and Decelle. Hey guys, what you doing? Oh, you guys are so cute. Yes, you are. And over here we have Cisco and Sadie. Hey guys, what you doing? Oh, you guys are so cute. Oh, they want to talk to Jenny. Come on guys. All right guys, well we're going to get back to having lots of fun here at the Tuscarora Nature Trail. Talk to you later. Ta-ta for now.